So some of you may know how when you make YouTube stuff and you make it to a certain subscribers, they give you a little thing, a little plaque. Well, I just got to 100, thanks. And so I decided I'm gonna make my own. And I was gonna wait till it was like better weather or whatever, but I've already been trying to make this for like a month and I haven't been able to for a reason I'll tell later. But I'm gonna make it today. And yeah, they don't give out ones for 100 subscribers, obviously, because they just gave a couple out for 100 million subscribers. So you know, there's a big difference in numbers there. Yeah, so I'm gonna get started. Thanks. So yeah, I didn't really make a ton over the break, but made a bit, made a couple knives. That video's not gonna be out yet. You'll see it sometime. So the last thing I was doing was making knives, so I have to set it back up from knives to this. Oh my god, the steel is so cold. Whew, it's cold. Oh my god, these matches won't light. I'm wasting so much gas. There we go. I think one burner is enough for aluminum. They're not very good. So here is the magic. It's a resin 3D print that I'm gonna press into here. Oh my god, it just barely fits. I'm so gonna melt this bucket. Oh my god, okay. I'm gonna need another bucket. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna press this in, and then the sand will, you know, well, hold on. This stays outside, so I just had to fluff it up a bit. It's all wet. I'm just preheating the crucible. Yeah, I got super glue all over my thumb. Great. I had to print it in half because you can only go so wide on the resin printer that I have access to. I haven't used this since I made. Wait a minute, that's not true. I don't think I've used this since I made my very first knives. Is that right? No, I must have casted something since. Because the last thing I remember casting at this moment is casting the brass pins for my first knives. Did I only use this one time? What a waste. Hey-oh. Oh, that's not half bad. It's very fine aquarium sand, a la Grant Thompson. It's preheated enough. Alright. Oh, it's quiet now. I always forget how loud that thing is. Oh, this water's so warm. Comparatively to the outside. Alright, looks like poop. Okay, so how can I fix this? Ah, shit, this is exactly what I was afraid of. It just cracked it. Okay, that worked better. I just have to glue these back together. Great, and actually wait for them to freeze. Okay. It's tomorrow. A lot more glue. Let's see if it'll work. Alright. Try to do it carefully, because if this breaks instantly, I'm going to be very sad. I'm gonna trust that this is working. Keep hammering. I'm gonna turn the fire on. Take it. My only problem now is that it's not level. I actually didn't think of that. So now this is the only level that I have is in a pen. What's smoking? Oh, it's probably just steam because everything's wet. Yeah, that is the trouble with wet sand, though. Oh, I didn't expect that much bubbling, wow. I don't think this turned out well. I haven't looked at it yet, and I'm about to, and it does. I don't think it's gonna be good. That's a little wet. I mean, I can definitely see the shape. Maybe it's gonna take longer than I thought. Editing me here. I didn't turn the mic on last time, so this is probably gonna be the fastest recorded to YouTube that I've ever done. I like it. I kind of like it. Eventually, I'm probably gonna make one that's better, just because I think if I add clay to the sand, that'll help with the less moisture for it. Because all this was caused by too much moisture.
sand. If I needed the moisture to keep it tight, but clay would help with that. But yeah, I didn't expect it to go this way just because the last time I did this, it didn't look like this. I think it's because I've had the mask that I used is what made it turn this way. But it's not so bad. You can at least see what it was supposed to be. But yeah, thanks for 100. It's now up to like 136. Hope you're liking it so far. I got plans for something similar for 1,000, but something different metal. I've been trying to do this for like over a month, which is why it's at 136 now instead of 1. But because I wanted this to be the next one to post after 100, so I've been making videos. I've been just waiting until I can get this done because the resin cast took forever to get. Anyway, so I've made new social medias. If you're into it, I have a Twitter now and also Twitch. For this video, I streamed some of it. So follow there and you can see live versions of the videos, potentially. It should be just Twitch. I'll link it below, because I have no idea what the address is. Thanks for following. Have a good day.